Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Ahmad Razif bin Abdul Hamid. I will present a written paper entitled Design and Development Drift Trike. This paper was written together with Encik Muhammad Faiz bin Jansar and Cik Ko Ehsan bin Cik Ko Abdul Sattar. We are a lecturer in Jabatan Kejuruteraan Mekanikal Politeknik Muadzam Shah, Pahang. Did you know what a drift trike is? Drift trike is a three-wheel drive motor whose original idea was taken from kit tricycle as in the features on the side. The drift trike is one of those recreational sport vehicles that is rarely seen. The history of origin of drift trike come from New Zealand and quickly start to spread to the other countries include Australia, United States, Colombia, European and Asian countries including Malaysia in 2011. Drift trike consists of one front wheel and two rear wheels. However, the two wheel at the rear part has been fitted with PVC pipe. Drift trike can reach speed up to 90 km/h, but normal operating speed are between 25 to 50 km/h. According to Francis D. Case and Stephen P. 2010, sketch and design are important for the initial phase in the development of the design process. So sketch and design are the best way to visualize way and speculate about what will be built. By applying the discipline of design, the development of drift trike has been successfully implemented at Politeknik Muadzam Shah. What we can see is that the existing drift trike has the advantage from the aspect of unsuitable design, low frame strength, high manufacturing costs, and unsafe. In fact, we also have no reference to produce drift trike. Nowadays, teenagers are also more interested in e-games than recreational sport. Therefore, we would like to highlight the drift trike as a manufacturing innovation in safe recreational sport with a lower cost. Objective of this project 4 to study fundamental mechanism of drift trike, to design a drift trike that can be used as recreational motorsport, to fabricate the drift trike as innovation and can use it in competitions. Work on the following aspect: designing discipline, design development. In the development process, we will also use gasoline petrol engine, 10 or 11 inches tire size, lightweight and wide iron frame, as well as we'll use the fixed connection process with each MIG welding. We also want to focus our drift trike can be used in competition. Following are the steps and discipline in the development of drift trike that we have developed. Step 1 is identifying problem by thoroughly examining the constraint of the design to be drawn. Step 2, selection of idea and design. Several sketches need to be made, and after that, a brainstorming process need to be implemented to select the best sketch to develop. Step 3, design transfer process to 3D drawing. Once the best sketch is selected, the next process is to convert the sketch to a 3D drawing using CATIA software. Step 4, design planning is a complicated process and require careful and meticulous planning. It not only involve the development process, but also include manufacturing costs, material selection, and time management. Step 5, design, development, and construction process. The beginning of fabrication process to produce a drift trike. Here are the work steps in the fabrication process. Start with collection of required component. The cost of preparing our entire component is 1,112 ringgit Malaysia. First process is cut the steel according to the size of drawing. Second process, construction of jig. Third process, fabrication of neck. Fourth process, fork fabrication and brake assembly. Fifth process is fabrication of handlebar. Sixth process, fabrication of rear shaft with lathe machine. Seventh process, fabricate sprocket and rear brake disc bracket. Eighth process, engine mounting and drive chain setting. Ninth process, tire assembly. 10th process, throttle setting. 11th process, fabrication of caliper bracket. And last process is reassembling process. With this 12th process implement, the drift trike was finally created as a plan. We have never developed any drift trike before. Therefore, we have tried to make a simple analysis based on its features and design that we have developed as compared to the drift trike that is our reference. Drift trike type A and type B are two types of drift trike available in the market and have been produced by other individuals, while drift trike type C is a product developed by us. Here is the figure and features of the drift trike. Drift trike type A, without energy source drive, move with the help of gravity, play on slope or hill, using tire and brake system like a bicycle. The rear tire are coated with PVC pipe for sliding or drift, with the frame structure taken from the design of the bicycle. Drift trike type B, move with the power source drive of the generator engine or gasoline engine. Play on flat area and use tire and brake system like a bicycle. The tire are coated with PVC pipe for sliding or drift, with the frame structure taken from the design of the bicycle. Drift trike type C, move with the power source drive of the generator engine or gasoline engine. Play on flat area and use tire and brake system such as motorcycle. The tire are coated with PVC pipe for sliding or drift, with fabricate frame structure without the use of the bicycle frame. We have created a survey using Google Form. The survey was disseminated through WhatsApp on 6 September and closed on 8 September 2021. The survey received 53 responses, and 98.1% of respondents were male, while 60.4% of respondents state that they have never known or seen a drift trike. We have simplified the table by representing star as a summary of the analysis. Each star will represent 10 marks, and the following are the analysis scores that have been obtained. Type A get 110 marks. Type B get 140 marks. Type C get 190 marks. From the result, the conclusion is that the drift trike that we have built is an innovation with better features in terms of durability and safety, and it can be used for competition participants. In conclusion, based on what we have produced, it is found that our objective have been achieved. With a score of 190 marks, it proved that the drift trike we built is an innovation with better durability and more safety. We also hope that our writing can be a reference for any other individual who wants to try or develop their own drift trike. We've used our drift trike. We also participate the Motorized Drift Trike Championship 2020, representing the Pahang team at ICRO Melaka on 9 February 2020. Our drift trike qualified for the second round, but due to the occurrence of COVID pandemic, this tournament was postponed and cancelled. In the future, we will try to introduce a better drift trike than the ones we have developed.